Hey guys! Today is pretty exciting. I'm going to be showing you the seeds that we got for our vegetable garden this time. I know I've showed two other seed hauls that are all flowers, so this time will be the vegetables. I'm getting ready to start them inside, the ones that need to be started inside early. So I thought I would just go ahead real quick and show you guys what all I got. They're from Seed Savers Exchange, and this is my first time ordering from there, so I'm pretty excited. Let's see here. We're not going to go in any special order, but I'll show you each one. So, we got the Provider Bean. The Bushy Cucumber. Crisscross Watermelon. A lettuce mixture, I could not decide which lettuce to get. The Dragon Carrot. America's Spinach. Gold Bantam Improved Corn. I'm really excited about this one. The Glass Gem Corn is so pretty. Early Jersey Wakefield Cabbage. This is another one I'm really excited about. We got a miniature yellow bell pepper, and this one says they get 2 inches long, and they look super cute. It says short stocky plants covered with lovely 2-inch long miniature bell peppers with an excellent fresh flavor. I'm really excited to try these. They look so cute. We got Mrs. Burns Lemon Basil, another one I'm really excited to try. We got the Diamond Eggplant, and I've never tried growing eggplant, so that should be fun too. Okay, let's see here. De Chico, maybe? Broccoli? Not sure how to say that. The Green Beauty Pea. And then, let's see, the tomatoes. We got the Paul Robeson tomato. The Lowen Family Heirloom Ground Cherry. I've never tried ground cherries, so I'm excited for that one too. The Gold Medal tomato. Let's see. The yellow with streaks of red makes them very attractive and a gourmet's joy when sliced. This is their finest bicolor tomato, orange-yellow splashed with red, a winner at one of the first Seed Saver Exchange tomato tasting events. Okay, and then we got some gourds too to try for birdhouses. Those just looked super fun. So that is our veggie seeds that we got, and I'm starting a few inside, like the tomatoes have to be started inside, the peppers, and I think even the broccoli and eggplant said they need to be started inside. So we're gonna do that soon, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. Anyways, that was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.